you're so nice. Oh, you're so nice.
Hi guys, welcome to Chairs and Benches. Woo! I'm Nayoka and you guys already know what to do, okay? Once you're watching this video, like the video before watching, comment on this video, share the video, guys. The only thing I need to be monetized right now is for you guys to watch my videos or to share my videos. So pretty much I just need that 4,000 watch hours. I need you guys' help. Bottom line is that I need you guys' help. So please go ahead and watch all my videos, binge watch all my videos. But I'm gonna jump right into this video. You guys probably wonder, why am I in my car? So no, I'm not doing a challenge today. I'm not going out and asking people questions or anything like that. I'm actually gonna go on the road to purchase something. But the reason why I'm gonna purchase, all right, let me just rewind. Okay, so basically I do have a chronic illness, and I told you guys in the very first video, to get to know me video. So if you guys are true fans, I'm sure you guys already watched that video. If you haven't watched that video, please go ahead and watch the very first video, which is to get to know me tag with me and Britt. And also I recently dropped my diagnosis video. In that video I explained everything about Crohn's disease, so if you haven't watched that video, please go ahead and watch it. But basically with this illness, I oftentimes have nausea. I feel lightheaded. I have abdominal cramping all the time. Most times I feel unwell, and it's normal for me. But you guys probably guessed it. Like if I always feel nauseous or always feel weak or always have cramping, those things relate to pregnancy. I said the P word. Yeah, those things directly relate to pregnancy. So a lot of the times I have to go and check if I'm pregnant, and I haven't been feeling well. Like I haven't been feeling well lately. So I decided that I'm gonna take a pregnancy test and I'm gonna do it live. But I'm thinking, let me record this. You guys already know I'm a mommy. I have a daughter. She's almost 2 years old. I haven't really introduced you guys to her as yet, but I will insert pictures from my maternity shoot so you guys could enjoy those photos. But yes, I'm a mom, and honestly I was not ready for baby number 2 as yet. I was gonna try probably not too far from now, because I do not want my kids to be far in age. Just like me and my brother, we're really close in age and we have a really good relationship because of that. But this year I have a lot of things that I'm starting. So I have a business that I just started, a hair business. I just started YouTube, and I work, and I'm going back to school, and I'm a mommy. So you guys can already guess it. My plate is super duper full, but I got this, right? So basically I feel like I could be pregnant, or I could just be feeling my regular symptoms, but I'm gonna do it on camera so you guys could see what the deal is. Honestly though, if I am pregnant, I would still be happy. I know I'm strong and I'm able to, you know, do multiple things at once, and being a mommy is truly a blessing. So I guess either way I'd be fine. So let's see, if it's God's will, then it's God's will. If not, it's not. But let's go. So I'm gonna drive to the pharmacy. There's a pharmacy really close to where I live, like a really small pharmacy, but every pharmacy have pregnancy tests, right? So I'm gonna drive to the pharmacy. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Yeah, I'll come home, do the test, and then we'll see. Shaun is not home as yet. We're gonna record a video later tonight, but I guess when he comes home I'll show him this video or show him the pregnancy test. But I can't wait, because I mean, I cannot really overlook these symptoms. Even though it's common to me, I can't overlook these symptoms because pregnancy is actually huge. So let's go. Okay guys, so I am in the pharmacy. I'm gonna find the pregnancy test. It's really small, so alright, so these are the pregnancy tests that they have and the prices. Honestly, I think pregnancy tests are a little bit overpriced, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with, I'll go with this one. yes, I'm gonna purchase this one and then I'll go home and take a pregnancy test and then we'll see what the results are. I really should get this one, but it's too expensive. All right, let's go. Oh my God.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
See.
Hi, Annie. 10:34, sweetheart. You're such a beautiful girl.
Thank you.
Oh, is that debit?
Yes, please. Okay, hope.
Yeah. Magazines and that.
Okay.
You certainly see that you're just beautiful.
Aw.
Would you like your receipt, Annie?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay guys, so I'm back in my car and I just bought this pregnancy test. This one. I don't know if you guys seen clearly when I was in the store. So I just got this one and it's not digital, but I mean they're all one and the same anyways, right? So honestly, the last time when I was pregnant, I didn't believe it and I had to purchase like 3 more to actually sink in. So at least I didn't start off at the very most expensive. But yeah, so we'll find out if I'm having baby number 2 or if this is just my regular symptoms from, you know, that chronic illness that I spoke about earlier. But honestly, I would prefer to be pregnant than to be sick. So I'm kind of nervous to know if this illness is gonna affect me, slow me down or not. Nothing won't slow me down though anyways. Like I'll fight through whatever issues that I'm fighting. So if I'm pregnant, in a sense I would probably be more happy than to find out that I'm actually ill or in a flare is what they call it. So I'll find out. Either way, I'll suck it up and be a big girl and put on my big girl pants and just, you know, just do life. But I'm hungry. I'm super duper hungry right now, so I am going to, there's a Tim Hortons literally right beside the pharmacy. I don't know if you guys can see. Ooh, it's not very clear, I'm sorry, but there's a Tim Hortons right there, so I'm gonna like buy something to snack on, do this test, and then I think Shaun should be home probably in the next hour. So I want to do this test for you guys before he comes, and then we'll see what the results are. That lady was super sweet to me though. She's like, "You're so pretty." I don't know, when people give me compliments, sometimes I don't even know what to say, but it's always nice to compliment people, right? Anyways, I guess I'm just trying to buy time because I'm so nervous. I'm just talking, but really I just need to get home and do this test. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Bye. All right guys, so I just opened the pregnancy test. Honestly, I don't really like reading instructions. I think it's, you know, I've done this before. I never really used this brand before, but I think I have the basic idea. I need a cup though. They don't put none in this. Cheap stuff. Alright. I thought they would have put something in here for me to piss in. One moment. So I just got this med cup. So I'm gonna pee in here and obviously braid it up with the pregnancy test. Alright, I'm clearly nervous. Alright, give me one moment. I'm gonna pee and then I'll be right back. Alright, let me wash my hands. It says to put the stick in the pee for 5 seconds only. And oh, 2 minutes, and then we have to wait 2 minutes to see the results. So, okay. I don't know if I should show my pee on the internet, but recipe. This is the test. Alright, so this is how the pregnancy test looks. So I'm gonna dip it in for 5 seconds. I'm gonna just turn it over and wait 2 minutes. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, so I'm waiting. I don't know why I'm so nervous, but I'm genuinely so nervous. Okay. I don't think it's 2 minutes, but I want to look. Oh my god. Alright, so I remember when I was when I was trying to have Sky, and I prayed so hard to be a mommy. And if I'm actually a mommy of 2, that's gonna be crazy, because being a mom was really important to me. Like, I want to be extremely successful in other ways, but I feel like I would not be fulfilled if I wasn't blessed enough to become a mom. So anybody who is trying to conceive, you know, don't give up. Pray and it will happen. But I need to stop talking. I really talk a lot in this video because I'm so nervous. But yeah, I'm gonna look now and then see. They're pretty bright. It's pretty bright, so I am pregnant. I am definitely pregnant. Oh my god. Yeah, I cannot believe. So I'm gonna have to call my family, and I'm gonna put this on my bed. I'm gonna just put this on my bed so when Shaun comes home he'll see it. I'm still shocked, to be honest. I'm so shocked. I'm so shocked right now. It's crazy. This is gonna be one exciting year. I know Sky will be happy. She loves babies. She really loves babies, so she'll be happy. I don't know when I'll be posting this video, but I think I'll share it with you guys. And I mean, you guys will find out anyways, because you guys will see me when I become huge. So yeah, this is what's up. I'm actually pregnant. That's crazy. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really inviting you guys into my life, for real. Like, you guys are like really into my life right now. But this is fun, and I hope you guys, continue being supportive on my journey and everything that I do share with you guys. And I love you guys, and yeah, see you soon.